Bodybuilding is about pushing limits, sculpting physiques, and achieving peak performance. We're always searching for that extra edge, that secret weapon to unlock even better results. Today, that weapon exists: AI-powered meal planning. Gone are the days of generic meal plans and endless calorie counting. AI is revolutionizing the way bodybuilders eat, offering personalized nutrition plans tailored to individual goals and preferences. Imagine inputting your body type, training schedule, and desired results, and having a customized meal plan generated in seconds. That's the power of AI. This isn't just about convenience, it's about optimizing every single calorie you consume to maximize muscle growth and fat loss. It's about taking the guesswork out of nutrition and giving your body exactly what it needs, when it needs it. This is the future of fitness fuel, and it's here to stay. Let's dive into how AI is transforming the bodybuilding game. You can hit the gym hard and push yourself to the limit, but without the right nutrition, you're leaving gains on the table. Your diet is the foundation of your fitness journey. Building muscle and burning fat requires a delicate balance of macronutrients: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Each of these plays a unique role in your body. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue, essential for repairing and rebuilding muscle fibers after intense workouts. Without enough protein, your muscles can't recover properly. Carbohydrates provide the energy you need to power through those grueling training sessions. They are your body's primary fuel source, especially during high-intensity workouts. And healthy fats play a crucial role in hormone production and overall bodily functions. They help in the absorption of vitamins and provide long-lasting energy. Getting the right balance of these macronutrients is key. It's not just about eating enough, but eating the right proportions. Too much protein, and your body might struggle to process it efficiently. This can lead to digestive issues and other health problems. Too few carbs, and you'll lack the energy to train effectively. This can result in fatigue and decreased performance. And neglecting healthy fats can disrupt hormonal balance and hinder your progress. Your body needs these fats to function optimally. This is where AI comes in. Advanced algorithms can take the guesswork out of nutrition. By analyzing your individual needs, AI can determine the optimal macronutrient ratio for your body type, training frequency, and goals, ensuring you're fueling your body for maximum results. With the right nutrition plan, you can achieve your fitness goals more efficiently and effectively. Remember, it all starts with your plate. The beauty of AI-powered meal planning lies in its personalization. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about creating a meal plan as unique as your fingerprint, tailored to your specific needs and preferences. The process begins with inputting your personal data. This includes your height, weight, age, gender, activity level, and any dietary restrictions or allergies you may have. You'll also specify your fitness goals, whether it's building muscle, losing fat, or maintaining your current physique. Based on this information, the AI algorithm gets to work. It analyzes your data, crunches the numbers, and generates a personalized meal plan designed to help you achieve your goals. It's like having a personal nutritionist available 24/7, analyzing your needs and creating a roadmap for success. No more guesswork, no more generic plans. AI takes the complexity out of nutrition, providing you with a clear, actionable plan tailored to your unique body and goals. AI-powered meal plans go beyond simply calculating calories and macronutrients. They take into account the importance of nutrient timing, ensuring your body receives the right nutrients at the right time for optimal muscle growth and recovery. For example, your meal plan might prioritize protein and carbohydrates immediately after your workout to replenish glycogen stores and kickstart muscle protein synthesis. It might also recommend smaller protein-rich meals throughout the day to maintain a steady supply of amino acids for muscle building. The AI determines the ideal meal frequency and portion sizes based on your individual needs and preferences. Some people thrive on 3 square meals a day, while others prefer smaller, more frequent meals. The AI takes all of this into account, creating a plan that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. This personalized approach to meal timing and frequency ensures your body is consistently fueled for optimal performance, both in the gym and throughout the day. One of the biggest challenges of sticking to a bodybuilding diet is the time and effort required for grocery shopping and meal prep. The constant need to plan meals, create grocery lists, and ensure you have the right ingredients can be overwhelming. Many people find themselves spending hours each week just trying to stay organized and on track. AI meal planning simplifies this process, making it easier than ever to stay on track. With just a few taps on your device, you can have a complete meal plan tailored to your dietary needs and preferences. The AI takes into account your fitness goals, dietary restrictions, and even your favorite foods to create a plan that works for you. The AI generates a detailed grocery list based on your meal plan, ensuring you buy exactly what you need for the week ahead. This not only saves you time but also helps you avoid the temptation of buying unnecessary items that can derail your diet. No more wandering aimlessly through the supermarket or overspending on unnecessary items. With a clear and concise list, you can shop efficiently and confidently, knowing that every item in your cart has a purpose. The AI takes the guesswork out of grocery shopping, saving you time and money. By sticking to the list, you can avoid impulse purchases and stay within your budget, making healthy eating more affordable. Meal prep becomes a breeze with pre-planned recipes and portion sizes. The AI provides you with a variety of recipes that are not only nutritious, but also delicious, ensuring you never get bored with your meals. The AI provides clear instructions and measurements, eliminating the need for complicated calculations or guesstimates. Each recipe comes with step-by-step instructions, making it easy for anyone to follow, regardless of their cooking skills. You can batch cook your meals for the week, knowing that each serving contains the precise macronutrient breakdown your body needs. This ensures that you are fueling your body with the right balance of proteins, carbs, and fats to support your fitness goals. With AI-powered meal planning, you can say goodbye to last-minute meal decisions and unhealthy takeout options. Having prepped meals ready to go means you are less likely to reach for convenience foods that don't align with your diet. You'll have delicious, nutritious meals ready to go, making it easier than ever to stick to your bodybuilding diet and achieve your fitness goals. The convenience and efficiency of AI meal planning allow you to focus more on your workouts and less on the logistics of meal prep. I was initially skeptical about AI meal planning. The idea that a machine could understand my unique dietary needs and fitness goals seemed far-fetched. Could an algorithm really understand my body and my goals better than I could? I had always believed that personal experience and intuition were key to effective nutrition. But I decided to give it a try, and the results have been nothing short of transformative. I started by inputting my details into the AI system, including my fitness goals, dietary preferences, and lifestyle habits. Within weeks of following my personalized AI meal plan, I noticed significant changes. My body was responding in ways I hadn't seen before. My energy levels skyrocketed and I felt more focused and driven during my workouts. It was as if the AI had unlocked a new level of potential within me. My recovery time improved and I was able to push myself harder and lift heavier weights. The AI had fine-tuned my nutrition to support my training regimen perfectly. But the most noticeable change was in the mirror. I could see the definition in my muscles becoming more pronounced. My muscle definition increased, and I was leaning out faster than ever before. The AI had tailored my macronutrient intake to optimize fat loss while preserving muscle mass. The AI had accurately calculated my macronutrient needs and my body was responding accordingly. It was like having a personal nutritionist available 24/7. This wasn't just about numbers on a scale or measurements on a tape measure. It was about a holistic transformation. It was about feeling my best, both physically and mentally. The confidence I gained from seeing these results was unparalleled. AI meal planning had taken the guesswork out of nutrition, allowing me to focus on what I do best, training hard and achieving my fitness goals. It was a game changer in my fitness journey. AI-powered meal planning is more than just a trend, it's a game changer for bodybuilders of all levels. It takes the complexity and guesswork out of nutrition, providing a personalized roadmap for success. No longer do we have to rely on generic meal plans or spend hours calculating macros. AI does the heavy lifting for us, analyzing our individual needs and generating customized meal plans designed to optimize our results. This technology empowers us to make informed decisions about our nutrition, fueling our bodies for maximum muscle growth, fat loss, and performance. It simplifies the often daunting task of meal prep, making it easier than ever to stick to a bodybuilding diet and achieve our fitness goals. AI meal planning is not about replacing the knowledge and expertise of nutritionists and coaches. It's about providing a powerful tool that complements their guidance. making personalized nutrition more accessible and achievable for everyone. Give AI a try. If you're serious about taking your bodybuilding journey to the next level, I encourage you to explore the world of AI-powered meal planning. It's an investment in your health, your fitness, and your future. Don't be intimidated by the technology. Most AI meal planning apps are user-friendly and intuitive, guiding you through the process step by step, and the results speak for themselves. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your body transform, your energy levels soar, and your performance in the gym reach new heights. That's the power of AI meal planning, so what are you waiting for? Take control of your nutrition, unlock your true potential, and experience the transformative power of AI. Your body will thank you.